Hello guys, welcome to my page. Today I will be showing you my screen while I conduct some testing on an application that I recently installed on my social media manager page, which is Chatbot. So in case you're wondering what is Chatbot, it's just basically from the name itself, it's a chat robot. So it's an application or a program that you install either on your website or on your social media page to basically interact or chat with anyone who reaches out to your page. So it's a very important tool to have if you own a business or if you are an entrepreneur, because you don't want to miss on any potential deals or potential client just by not being able to respond to their questions immediately. So, of course, it's very impossible for us to be in front of our computer or on our laptop 24/7, so that's basically what the chatbot will do for you. So, it has some saved responses or templates that answers simple questions or frequently asked questions. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and start the chatbot testing. So here you can see my personal profile. I'll be using my personal profile to chat my page and start the testing here. So let's clear the chat history first. Okay, so we will be checking the icebreaker menu. So these are the frequently asked questions. It automatically gave us 3 questions here. What are the services? How much is the rate? And do you have a portfolio? So let's go ahead and start with the services I offer. See if it will give us the right answer. Okay, it's loading still. Alright, there you go. For me to know which type of services. Alright, so it asks what best describes us. So let's check business owner link. Alright, so there you go. So we asked for the services. It provided the list of the services that I offer. So it's the right answer. And then a link for a free consultation. So let's go ahead and check on it and see if it leads us to the right Calendly. Okay, there you go. So it looks like it's the right one. Now, for the sake of this testing, let's probably check on the freelancer option here. Okay, there you go. List of my services and also the link for a free consultation. Just checking on everything here. Okay, think we're good on that. Now, let's probably check another question here for testing. So let's go and check how much is your rate. Alright. Rate depends on the services you want to avail, so it gives us the button for services. So it's loading. Okay, there you go. Again, it asks us what best describes us. So let's probably check on the marketer. We've already clicked the business owner and freelancer earlier. Alright, so there you go. It provided the list of my services once again. You hear my son on the background. Okay. Looks like it's the right response. Let's go ahead and check on the last question here, which is, do you have a portfolio? It's loading. Okay, alright. So it provided us the buttons for portfolio and my resume. So let's check on the portfolio. It should lead us to my website. Let's see. Okay, there you go. It's the right link. And then let's check on the resume. See if it will provide us the right document. Alright, there you go. Let's click on it. Open. Okay, looks like it's the right document here. And you still see hear my son in the background. Now, I think we're good with the questions or testing on those questions. Now, on the right side of the chat box, you see 3 lines here. Let's go ahead and click on it. It should provide us the persistent menu options. All right, so these are free consultation button, services, portfolio, and resume. So for the sake of this testing, let's go ahead and check on some of those menus. I clicked on the free consultation one. It should lead us to this Calendly link, free consultation button. All right. Okay, it's the right response. Now, let's say portfolio. All right, it's loading. Okay, there you go. Portfolio. This should be my website. Okay, looks like it's the right one. And then the resume. Same as earlier. It should lead us to the resume download option. Okay, there you go. It's loading. Okay, it's the right one. Now, I think we're done checking the icebreaker and the persistent menu here. Now, let's try to check on the get started menu. So, we just have to disable the icebreaker here on this tool. Let's save it. All right, there you go. And let's start checking and testing it. Let me just refresh it. Okay, and let's check using my personal profile. All right, so okay, let's clear the chat history first. So since I enabled the get started menu, when I hit the message button, it should give us the get started button here. Okay, there you go. So instead of the 3 questions earlier, it gave us this option. So let's click on it and test if it's working. All right, it's loading. All right, let's wait. Okay, there you go. Welcome to our page. So I can serve you better. I would like to know you more. So the same link to choose what best describes us, but looks like it's a correct response. So let's go ahead and check on the business owner link. Right, I'm glad to know more. How can I further assist you? Okay, so it gave us 3 links here: the services, free consultation link, and if you want to chat with us. So let's try free consultation. Okay, it's the same link to book free consultation, so that's correct. Let's go ahead and click on services. It should be the list of my services. All right, there you go, which is correct. Now let's try chat with SA Creations, which is the new option. Okay, so pretty busy, would like to book a free consultation or get back to you. Okay, let's check. Chat is fine. See if it will work. Type your message. Okay, let's go ahead and put on some keywords that will trigger some of the menus. So let's try putting portfolio. Okay, so there you go. I just type portfolio. See if it will lead us to the website. It's loading. Okay, to view her resume and portfolio, click on. All right, there you go. Looks like it's the right response. Let's just go ahead and make sure it's the right link. So this should be the website and then the resume link. Right. Let's just check on everything. Okay, there you go. So on the right side of the chat log, once again, there are the 3 lines which gives us the persistent menus here, the free consultation services, portfolio, and resume. So we've already tested that earlier. We've tested the get started button and then some of the keywords, so I think we're good and we're done with the testing. I hope you enjoyed or you learned something from this. Tell me on the comment below if you want to know more about Chatbox. I can probably discuss that in details on some of my videos later. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and please do consider subscribing.